Oh.
Yes? Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique. Hi, Wayanar Farm. Good morning. So,
Good morning to you. No, stop. No.
yeah.
Watch,
Oh my
watch.
gosh. Ooh. Did you see that?
The dog that died, a death from dying.
Ooh,
Yes, I saw.
That was terrible. That was horrible. But welcome back to our channel. Today we are going on a road trip.
Like it's every time.
I was gonna sing something and I forgot it.
We're going on a trip. I have no idea.
It's not that one. I think it was along the lines of Dora, something. But yeah, folks, we are heading to. I was gonna say Westmoreland, but it's actually not in
No, it's
Westmoreland.
Hanover.
It's in Hanover. Yeah, so we're going to Hanover. So I'm gonna join with Doma Hanover.
It's not set to be fun and games. It's actually work for me. But
I don't know what he's talking about.
but we don't know what's going to happen exactly. So we're prepared, if any, in the event of anything.
We're going for fun and games, alright? And that's why your folks are coming with us. Yeah.
So
Oh,
yeah.
Beep, beep. I wonder if it's gonna become a nice restaurant. I mean, Mr. Peep. Yeah.
That's enough.
Oh.
So anyways, yeah. We'll of course show you parts of the journey, not the whole journey, but parts of the journey. Have to focus on the road. Ooh.
Fish.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah. Of course, a farmer's market.
Conk. By the time you see this video, we're gonna be going live. So by the time you see this video, the live would have been long gone. Yes, but also we want to take the opportunity to thank you guys for continuously joining us on our channel. And we want to remind those of you who are not subscribed, please remember to hit that subscribe button.
Almost at 400 subs.
Do that thumbs up. Thank you for saying that. So, where our subs are concerned, we will be doing a giveaway. Yay! So we're gonna be doing a giveaway for 500 subscribers. So guys, you're gonna want to be a part of that. Trust me, you are going to want to be a part of that giveaway. You're gonna want to participate because we have some really cool stuff coming up, and we're teaming up with one of our faves. So definitely, ooh, change of sign. Definitely, remember again to subscribe, interact, yes, comment something, just say something. So we'll be giving you guys a little more details a little later, possibly. Well, it has to be in this video as to how you can participate in the giveaway. But yeah, just think of it as $5,000 worth of goodies. And I mean, when I say goodies, I mean
We're done.
haha, yeah, goodies. Not telling you anything else. Catch you folks later. Ta-ta.
So people rain wash out most of the day. But yeah, majority of the day. But we know so we come back. And I don't know who want to come with me, but hit us up on Instagram. That? Yes. Hit us up on Instagram. We're definitely having a trip coming here. It was already in the making before this day. But this, as I said, this is work. This is different. But we definitely have a planned trip, or gonna plan a trip. Come here with some people. You know I'm gonna do because you know say good.
Hold it. She them shit good. Shit good like
you know say alright. Anyways, we are up to Lucy enough, no doubt. So we can go here.
Nobody cannot cross it.
Catch you on the dry side.
Song here? They're on, because I know there are individuals or there are other persons whose dinner would be finished by 12, 1 o'clock, but them still not really eat until further down in the evening, like maybe 4 or 5 o'clock, which is what I'm accustomed to. So Chef is saying, yes, I agree. Oh, hold on. Alright, so it says, yes, I agree. I think it is tradition for some household. In my household, we eat dinner between 3:30 and 5 and on a Sunday. So we would start cooking around midday. Right, exactly. That is what I'm accustomed to as well. Like, to me, that just makes sense because, well, the truth is, what we Jamaicans consider to be dinner, or the time that we...
It's actually supper.
Yeah. In Jamaica, the time that we... just off the top of our heads think about is really supper time. But yes, I agree with that, Chef. So for persons who don't know, we can kinda sing.
Yeah.
Kinda.
I'm an okay singer and she's a really great singer. She won't admit that.
I'm not!
Yeah, she won't admit that, but she's a really great singer.
See, I consider a really great singer to be somebody like Tisan Ching, Elaine.
Well, yeah, compare yourself.
I'm not really comparing myself, but when you're there on a certain level, you're there on a certain level.
Yeah, those people are practicing on a daily basis.
Me not reach them levels.
And all these things.
Oh.
Yes.
Feel so long?
I don't know. There's a lot
What
of
she
people
just
here.
say? Listen. I'm gonna do. Been so long. Been so long. We need to find out how we can get those captions. See here. Those captions are how we feel.
Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Anyways, for this video, we are. Oh my gosh. For this video, this is the end of it. We basically reach home now, people. So
I forgot about y'all.
yeah, it's a quick recording. We're just literally just doing a live stream. But yeah, what?
Yes.
Cool over there.
Weird.
Yes.
I know.
But yeah, it was not a bad day at all.
It was a nice little vibe.
Yeah,
As
rain.
one of our
Somebody we follow.
what? As somebody would say, it's a vibe. It's a vibe.
But yeah. But anyways, guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Coming back with consistent content.
I'm looking at the camera. I should this camera.
Yeah, we're coming back with consistent content, and we have places we're going. today we went to Missile Adventure Park and we're gonna have a trip there.
Yes.
So if it's a trip with me and Yanique alone, I just sub, but we'll hope that we get some people to
Other
come with
folks.
us and
You want to join
support.
us?
And,
Yeah, man, you can hit us up. Remember, you don't have to brawling it out on YouTube.
Yeah.
You can jump over to our Instagram, Fun with Yan, YAN, and REN. Fun with Yan and Ren. There are no underscores or anything, just all in one. You can follow us on there as well, and you can just send us a DM. Trust me, as soon as we see that message, we're going to reply, and chances are it will be a few minutes after the message was sent.
More than a few minutes. But anyways, guys, thank you all for your support. You guys have yourself a wonderful Sunday evening. We are gonna eat with Sunday snack. I mean dinner.
We ain't got no dinner.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Wanna put it with some dinner?
So I got still struggles. Peace.